All right, so hello, we're going to work on our review today. All right, so this is a review of chapter 10, and just a reminder, chapter 10 was all about positions. Okay, so let me get my pen ready so you can get your pencil ready. All right, so we are going to, for number 1, draw another bird flying above the trees. So we're going to look. I see a bird up here, and it is above the trees. So I am just going to do a very simple little drawing like this. 1 swoop, 2 swoops. We're going to call that a bird. Okay, so we're going to draw another bird flying above the trees. Okay, number 2, we're going to circle the animal behind the tree. So here's our tree, here's another tree. Here it is. The lion is behind the tree. So circle the lion, please. Okay. Now, for our next one, we're going to draw a coconut beside a monkey. So here are our monkeys. We're going to draw a coconut beside our monkey. Okay, so go ahead and draw your coconut. Okay. Next, we're going to draw a monkey next to one of the lion cubs. So here are our lion cubs. This looks like a nice space. We're going to draw a monkey. So how I draw a monkey is I do an oval, and then I'm going to do the legs, and the arms, and the head, and then its tail, and then I'm going to do some eyes, ears, and a mouth. Doesn't need to be perfect, but just go ahead and draw your best monkey. Okay. Okay. I'll give you a second to finish drawing your monkey. Okay. Now we're going to circle the monkey that is below the branch. So we're looking at all the monkeys. This one is below the branch. So we're going to circle that monkey that is below the branch. He's hanging under it with his tail. And then last, we are going to draw an X on the lions in front of the tree. So here's the tree. Here are our lions. They are in front of it. So we are going to draw an X. Okay, so we drew a bird above a tree. We drew a coconut next to the monkey. We circled the lion that is behind the tree. We circled the monkey that is below the branch. We drew a monkey next to the lion cubs, and we drew an X on the lion cubs in front of the tree. Nice. Okay, next page. All right. So this one will go a little bit faster. So for number 1, we're going to draw an X on the bubble that is above or over the bottle. So this one is not above it. This one is. So we're going to draw an X because it is above the bottle. Okay, now we're going to look at number 2. We're going to draw a box around the flower that is below or under the green flower. So here is our green flower. Under, we're going to draw a box. So that will be our orange flower. Very nice. Okay. Number 3, we're going to draw a crayon next to the box. And we can just make this super, super simple. We're just going to draw a line. We're going to say that's our crayon, and it is next to the box. Okay, are you ready? All right, number 4. we're going to draw a dog bone beside the bowl. So a dog bone kind of looks like this. You do a line, and then you do a bump, and a bump, and a line, and a bump, and a bump. It's a dog bone. So go ahead and draw your dog bone. Again, remember, our drawings don't need to be perfect. It's totally okay. All right, if you need more time drawing, you can go ahead and pause the video, but I'm going to move forward. Okay, so for number 5, we're going to circle the object that is above the dog. So we're going to look. Here's our dog. What's above it? I see the frisbee. So I'm going to circle the frisbee. Okay. Now, next I'm going to draw an X on the animal that is next to the black cat. So here I see my black cat. So what is next to it? I see a gray cat. So I'm going to draw an X on the gray cat. Okay. Next, I'm going to draw a bird below the sun. So here is my sun. I'm going to draw my simple little swoosh, swoosh, bird. So go ahead. So we have, so far, the frisbee circled, the gray cat has an X, and the bird is below the sun. Okay, now we are going to underline the object that is on the blanket next to the girl with the red book. So here's our blanket. Here's the girl with the red book. We're going to look next to her, object, so we know it's not going to be the girl next to her. We're looking for something that's not a human. We are going to underline the picnic basket. So go ahead and underline that picnic basket. Okay, awesome. We're going to go to our next page. We have our circled frisbee, our X cat. We have a line under the picnic basket and a bird below the sun. Okay, now we're going to work on this one. So we're going to draw an X on the butterfly that is above the flower pot. So here's our flower pots. And here's our butterfly, so draw an X. Okay, we're going to draw a box around the animal that is in front of the baby bear. Here's our baby bear. We're going to draw a box around the animal that's a raccoon. Okay, now we are going to draw a circle around the bees that are below the beehive. So here's our beehive. Here are our bees. We're going to draw a circle. Okay. So far we have an X on the butterfly, a box around the raccoon, a circle around the bees, and now we're going to circle the window that is beside the door. So here's the door, here's the window. We're going to circle the window. Okay? It is beside or next to the door. Good job. Okay. You are all done. Good job. I'll see you soon.